Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Dex here. Today I am thrilled to share EEYUH 3D text animation created with Node Video and Alight Motion. I will provide the XML file once we reach our target of 400 likes. So without any more delay, let's start the video.